Okay friends, quick message. So I'm going to read to you what's been going on regarding Facebook, Instagram and these various other platforms that have been power outaged at the moment. It's about this Pandora Papers. You may have already heard about it. Pandora Papers, which is a leak, bring renewed cause for tax haven scrutiny. Pandora Papers, world leaders deny wrongdoing after leaks. Let me read something to you. I'm going to read it to you from International Consortium of Investigative Journalists. Offshore havens and hidden riches of world leaders and billionaires exposed in unprecedented leak. The Pandora Papers reveal the inner workings of a shadow economy that benefits the wealthy and well-connected at the expense of everyone else. That's what's behind it. This power outage, this is what's behind it. Apparently, people who were employees or those who were whistleblowing have caused this outage at the moment across the world with these particular apps. So we're talking about Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Let me read some more. Millions of leaked documents and the biggest journalism partnership in history have uncovered financial secrets of 35 current and former world leaders, more than 330 politicians and public officials in 91 countries and territories, and a global lineup of fugitives, con artists and murderers. The secret documents expose offshore dealings of the King of Jordan, the presidents of Ukraine, Kenya, Ecuador, Prime Minister of the Czech Republic and former British Prime Minister Tony Blair. The files also detail financial activities of Russian President Putin's unofficial Minister of Propaganda and more than 130 billionaires from Russia, the US, Turkey and other nations. The leaked records reveal that many of the power players who could help bring an end to the offshore system instead benefit from it, stashing assets in covert companies and trusts, while their governments do little to slow a global stream of illicit money that enriches criminals and impoverishes nations. And I guarantee you, this secret circle of the pedophilia is included in this, absolutely certain. I'm going to end the video here now and I'm going to upload it now.